Smells like brownies. Smells so good. Hello everyone, I'm Magda. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I will show you how to prepare from scratch a delicious brownies. Let's go and I'll show you the ingredients. And I am double the ingredients because I'm gonna use this little baby in here that I love it. It's really nice because it helps me not to, not cutting my brownies here already. I put this part in here and my brownies come already cut. But if you don't have one of those, what you want to use, like I said, I'm double the ingredients. So when you just do the regular amount, you use an 8 by 2, and you put a little piece of tin foil, kind of press at the edges, and spray it with non-stick oil, so they will be easier for the brownies to remove. So when you put your batter in here, your brownies are cool and everything, you help yourself grabbing the edges of the tin foil to remove your brownies, and you put it in your cutting board, and then you cut your brownies how you want it being cut. And I think that's it and about the ingredients. So we need to go and I'll show you how to make them. Now we're gonna go and I'll show you the ingredients that we wanna use for our recipe. I'm using 2.5 sticks of butter. I already cubed it so it's easy to melt. I'm using 4 eggs. I'm using 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 4 teaspoons of water, 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 2.5 cups of sugar, 1.5 cup of cacao, and this is just unsweetened and it's for cooking, and 2 cups of walnuts that I already have chopped. The first thing that we want to do, we want to turn our stove in medium high. And we are gonna add our butter so that it will melt. Okay. We wanna let it melt. And we wanna let it cook until the butter stops foaming. Actually, that is around 5 minutes. It's really fun. These brownies are really yummy. I mean, it takes a little time, but they're really good. That will be your favorite, I bet you. I know it's easier, to get a box of brownies, and it's easy to make them, but I love to do things that are closer to the most natural that I can think of. One of my kids used to say, if you cannot read the ingredients on the something that you buy, don't buy it. So in this you can see and read all the ingredients easily. Okay, the butter is already melted, so now we wanna let the butter kind of get a little brownish color. Well, our butter is kind of boiling a little bit, so, and then it start making foam, and I think I already said when it stop making foam is when we want to turn it off. Well, as you can see, it stopped foaming now. It's time to remove it from the heat. Vamos a apagar esto y la vamos a poner aquí. E inmediatamente vamos a agregar la azúcar y el cacao. Immediately, we want to add the sugar and cacao. vanilla, and water. And we want to stir it really good. It looks so good. Like it. Okay, I think everything is well mixed. Now we want to let it stand for 5 minutes. And we want to count, see? 5 minutes, 5 minutos. Nos vemos. While our cocoa mixture is setting, I'm going to turn our oven at 325 degrees. Well, it's been 5 minutes already that our mixture of cocoa and butter is setting in here. Now we want to add our eggs one by one. We want to use this. And we want to mix really good in each addition. Our butter is still hot when we add the eggs. Okay, let's add another one. And we want to mix really good. We need to let the butter be incorporated really good. Oops. I think I add some, sorry, I had some shells. Okay, we mix it vigorously in each addition. Okay. Okay, it's mixed. The last one. Okay. The last one, and we mix again. You see how shiny it is? That's how you want to see your butter, your mixture. Okay, that was the last egg, and now it's really shiny and good. Now we want to add our flour. And we're going to mix it really good until it's all blend. Now that the flour is incorporated really good, we want to give 60 strokes, and I'm not kidding, 60. So I'll count in Spanish, you count in English. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 9, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 60 golpes. Now, we want to add our walnuts. And I'll get a paper towel to clean my hands. And we want to mix really good. 60 strokes, 60 golpes me hicieron sudar. 60 strokes make me sweat. Okay, so now what I usually do, I remove this bar and I just pour it in. The whole butter in here. It looks so good already. Imagine when they're ready, cook and everything. I usually use this spatula because it helps me to get everything from the pan. You see? Okay, so what we want to do, we want to spread it out really nice. Okay, we spread it out to fill each corner really good. Right there. Okay. I don't want to leave anything in the... Okay, so now this is the magic part. So we'll stick this inside and we'll press it really good. And I'll cut the brownies for us. So our oven is ready. So now we want to put the brownies and we'll let it bake for 25 to 30 minutes. And I put the in the third rack in the oven. I put it in the middle rack. Okay, we will set the for 25 minutes. We'll put it there, and we will see you in 25 minutes. Smells like brownies. Smells so good. Well, the 25 minutes has passed. Now we want to try and poke it to see if they are ready. Okay, let's see. Yep, it's come a little bit with a little bit of touch it. So this is how we want it. So I guess we want to remove our pan from the oven. We want to put it in this rack to cool. Turn this off. And we will let it cool completely before we start moving them. And I'll come back when they're cool. Well, I let the brownies cool for 20 minutes. So you can let it cool longer if you want, but I want to let just for 20 minutes. And then we want to remove them from the pan. Okay, now it's time to remove the brownies from our pan, and we'll see how they are. Okay, this is, I want to show you my magic pan for my brownies. Les voy a mostrar mi charola mágica. Ahora lo que vamos a hacer, vamos a poner esto right here. Chala. Okay.
Not much of a magic pan.
What we want to do, we want to remove one from here. And we want to put it right there. Well, this is our brownies already done. I hope you enjoyed them as much as we do. We thank you so much for watching this video. And if If you enjoy this video, give us a thumbs up. That will make a big difference. And if you want to watch more videos like this, if you are not a subscriber yet, we ask you to subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Delicioso. Yummy. See you next time. Bye. Adios.